Hello folks, in this video we're going to quickly take a look at how we can export animation from Mixamo and then import it into iClone. Okay, so first we need to go to Mixamo website and then create an account for free. And then in the search bar here on the top left, we can search for example, walking or different animations. Let's select walking. You select the animation. Here you can change different parameters. We just leave them as default and then click on download here. Choose the format as binary, with the skin or without skin, it doesn't matter. And frame per second 30 and keyframe reduction none. You just need to download that. Okay, once the download is complete, we go to iClone software. You can select a character here. I just select Kevin. You can have your own character as well. So once the character is here, it's time to add the animation. You just go to where we download. Okay, we have a drag and drop the animation. So here in the profile, motion profile, we can choose Mixamo character, and then we can leave motion typos because it's optional. And here we select root bone and then sample per second because it was 30 and we change it to 30 as well, and click on convert all. Now it is converted and we press F3 on keyboard so that this timeline bar is here, and we just need to click on play, and as you can see the animation is playing. So here you can see the shoulders are a little bit higher than the normal. So we go to on the right side bar, we select on here facial animation, no, body animation. We select on edit motion layer, and we can choose the shoulders and have them a little bit down. I think that's much better. And click on set key and then close this one and play it again. You can see the shoulder is better.